Fal.ai review. Is it legit or a scam? Let's get started. So Fal.ai is a cloud-based AI inferencing platform that simplifies the process of running large models like LLMs, Stable Diffusion, Whisper, and others through low latency APIs. Instead of setting up your own server, Fal lets you run models with just a few lines of code and handles all GPU backend work for you. So you can also use cases include the image generation, text to audio and video generations, real-time chatbots, and custom model deployments. So let's talk about its pros. It offers a blazing fast inferencing, so there's also has a real-time API response, which is really fast. It's also great for developers and startups because it has a UI and a simple SDK. It also supports custom models and popular open source models. It also has a free tier available for testing and prototyping. The only downside is though, it's a newer platform and the pricing can add up. So, Fall is 100% legit, it's not a scam, and it's ideal if you want to run AI models fast without managing your own infrastructure.